Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be giving you the 411 of how I've retained length and how I've gotten my hair so long. It's easy, it's simple, it's inexpensive. And this is something I have been incorporating in my regimen ever since I did the big chop. And I've been continuing to be using this one particular, I don't know if it's a product, it's not a product, it's a plant. But I do this often and I have been getting amazing results. My hair has been flourishing and it's that simple. So we're gonna jump right into it. You ready? You're ready. Is you ready? Okay. Aloe. Aloe is the key. Aloe is a plant. Aloe is inexpensive. It's about $1.99 at the grocery store. And in this actual plant, it's magic. Magic. I can't even stress it enough. I usually do this once or twice a month if I have time. I was doing it a little bit more when I big chopped because I was so thirsty for my hair to grow back, because your girl was bald-headed at one point of time, as you can tell. But with the help of this aloe plant, and of course keeping my hair moisturized, doing low manipulation styles, my hair has actually grown almost to my waist, and I have to thank this plant right here. So I'm going to show you how I put it into my scalp. I'm going to give you the benefits of it and hopefully you try it and it works for you. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so you want to make sure that your hair is nice and wet. I wouldn't advise you to apply the aloe to your scalp when your hair is dry, because the pieces of the aloe can get caught into your hair and then it's a whole mess and it's hard to get it out of your hair. So make sure your hair is nice and damp. And what I did is I cut the aloe into 4 pieces like that. And then I left the plant on the back of it because I'm going to use this as a handle so that it doesn't slip and slide and I don't lose it. You know, gotta have a nice grip as I do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections. Let me tell y'all something. Aloe smells like underarms. But you know what they say, when it's funky, it works. I don't care what it is. If it's gonna make my hair grow, I'm here for it, honey. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you wanna focus on the scalp first. You want all of the gel. You see all this gel? This is the magic right here. Right? All of this is what you need in your life. So when we're done with this video, I suggest you go to the grocery store and go get you some aloe. First things first, I'm gonna put it on the scalp, rub it in, and it has such an amazing slip. It like literally puts instant moisture into your scalp as soon as you apply it to your hair. Don't be afraid to put it on. It's really beneficial for conditioning, repairing moisture. It's great for dandruff. It's great for any type of psoriasis. If you have eczema, of course it's great for any burns or scrapes that you may have, cuts. But what it does is it stimulates your hair follicles and it really gets into the root, and that's what helps promote your hair growth. And it says to do it about 2 to 3 times a week, but being that my schedule is so hectic, I try to make sure I do it at least once or twice a month. And you basically just massage it into your scalp. Make sure you properly coat all your strands. And I'm gonna just do this to my whole entire head. As you can see, the aloe has kind of disappeared. So once you see it go like that, you just wanna puncture it some and the gel instantly comes right back, see? So don't get scared. You're not gonna waste this $1.99. You're gonna use all of this. I don't play. I use it down to the nitty gritty. This is not only good for a mask. You can also get aloe vera gel, especially if you're somebody like me who has low porosity hair. My hair absorbs moisture so quick, so I tend to buy products that have a lot of aloe vera, being that it's so moisturizing and conditioning to my hair. Smells like underarm gel. I can't even lie, it smells like. And the reason why I started using this is because I hit a point where my edges started to thin out, and you guys know I did that video. If you haven't watched it, I'll make sure to post it down below. My edges started to thin out because of too much manipulation. So I was looking for ways to, you know, repair them edges because I was going crazy. And aloe vera, I was also using the Jamaican black castor oil as well as the aloe vera, and it really helps. So if you're somebody who has really thin hair and, you know, you're struggling with thickening your edges, this is something that you can also do, incorporate into your regimen on wash day or whatever day. What I do is after I apply it to my scalp, I then go in with my fingertips and then I start scalp massaging. That also, I tilt my head down some and I just go in a circular motion. If you do this every day for 5 minutes with some type of oil, your hair should definitely start growing, because this is what helps your scalp and your follicles to penetrate as you give, you know, oxygen to your scalp. So this is something that's very important. You can do this anywhere, when you're in your bed, in the car, wherever you are. Just give yourself a nice scrub. This definitely plays a big part in hair growth. And once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and put a plastic cap on my head and let this sit in for about 30 minutes to an hour. And while I wait, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some to my skin. So aloe vera is wonderful for the skin. It contains antioxidants, vitamins A and C. It's great for acne, it's great for scars, and it also gives you a natural glow. So why not apply it to your skin too? It's also great for any type of scars, you know, acne scars that you may have, any type of blemishes. It's really great for so many different things. You can ingest this. Aloe is also great for the stomach if you suffer with stomach issues. Great for the digestion. And like I said, I'm all for the products and things that are inexpensive, because, you know, when I first started going on my natural hair journey, I was so, you know, excited and I was so inexperienced. So I was just buying things just because it said natural for natural girls or kinky hair or curly girls, and I was wasting tons of money, not realizing that I could use inexpensive things such as aloe, things that were, you know, homemade, things that didn't contain preservatives and things that weren't beneficial to my hair. So who else is tired of going to the store, going broke because you end up in a natural hair aisle and you know you went to the store for 1 or 2 things, but somehow, some way you end up in a hair aisle and you spent more than you intended to. I'm talking to you, right? So now you don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is get $2 and you can go to the grocery store and get your plant. You can even get you an aloe plant and start growing it at home, because that's what my next thing is. I'm gonna let this sit, and when I come back, I'll show you my results, and then I will do a length check to show you guys how long my hair is. I'll be back. All right, so I just shampooed my hair just one time. You don't have to, but I really can't get past that smell, and me and smells don't mix. So I just shampooed my hair. Actually, I just co-washed it just to get the smell out and make sure I got all the aloe out. And as you can tell, my hair, it looks so hydrated. It looks like I have product in it. It's fluffy. It feels so smooth. It was so easy to detangle. My curls are defined. My scalp feels cleansed. It just feels like so refreshed and rejuvenated and brought back to life. It really feels wonderful. So, you know, aloe is the key, y'all. I'm telling you, this is all you need to do. Once or twice a month. If you can't do it 2 to 3 times. If you're somebody who's really suffering with breakage, you know, your hair is shedding really bad, then I advise you to do this at least once a week. But if your hair is, you know, pretty healthy for the most part and it's growing at a great pace for you, then I'd say once or twice a month. But if you want some inches, then you need to really do this. You need to take time, really, you know, nurture your hair, because your hair will grow if you really actually take time and nurture it and give it the moisture that it needs. Because moisture is the key to retaining long hair. Not only does, you know, deep conditioning and stuff like that, but properly moisturizing your hair. It's one thing to moisturize your hair, but it's how you moisturize it. If you're not, you know, if you're just putting grease on your hair and thinking your hair is gonna grow, that's not what it's not gonna work like that. You have to actually make sure that whatever product you're using, it's actually absorbing into your scalp and it's holding on to it, or else your hair will break. Low manipulation styles, drinking lots of water, and using products that don't contain any type of sulfates, any type of parabens, anything that's stripping and drying to our hair, because natural hair is naturally dry. So water is your best friend, especially when you have natural hair. So make sure to always hydrate. Spritz your hair with some type of water, use some type of leave-in, a conditioner, and something to really, you know, keep your strands hydrated. So yeah, I do this normally, like I said, once or twice. My hair has grown tremendously. I'll, you know, insert some pics so you can see where I started and where I am now. And this is a simple regimen. This is something that, you know, it will definitely give you results. I'm pretty sure if you're consistent, consistency is key. You can't do this today and then expect your hair to be down your back next week. It's a constant routine. You have to take your time, be patient, and your hair will flourish. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna give you guys a length check. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some type of motivation and inspiration. If you're somebody whose hair is, you know, not where you want it to be, don't give up. Your hair will grow. It takes time. Everybody's hair grows at different length. My hair didn't grow overnight, like I'm telling you, but I did take time, and I loved my hair, and I learned my hair, and you know, so don't give up. Your hair gonna grow, but don't worry. Okay. So my hair is almost, it's actually hitting my tailbone, almost to my butt. Much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.